Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch fun videos every day. Let's get started. Playtime. After school, I play with my toys. Again. After school, I play with my toys. Your turn. Very good. Sometimes I ride my bike in the park. Again. Sometimes I ride my bike in the park. Your turn. Very good. Then I help at home and eat dinner. Again. Then I help at home and eat dinner. Your turn. Very good. Getting ready for bed. I wear my soft pajamas at night. Again. I wear my soft pajamas at night. Your turn. Very good. I brush my teeth and wash my hands. Then go to bed. Again. I brush my teeth and wash my hands. Then go to bed. Your turn. Very good. In the next video, we will learn story time. You did amazing today. You read so many sentences on your own. Very good. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mama in the next video? I'm excited too. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and do subscribe.